Good. Good. Hi. I'm sorry, but it's oozing out. It's one right next to it as well.
Yeah.
So I may have to pop that with the lancet. So the lancet's this little small needle thingy on the side, okay?
Okay.
It's going to be a little painful, but we're going to get it done, okay? We got this, Sophia. You got it.
Okay.
Here we go. Good. 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 Okay.
Okay, break.
Good. Break. It's oozing out. It's coming out. I know. A small break. A small.
It's been a while.
I know. It's gonna hurt. It's oozing out. It's coming out. It's a couple more, and then we're done.
Let me stop before my protectors come.
Oh. Good. Good.
Lord help me.
Good.
I'm gonna have to stop doing my inner work. Lord. All right, here they come. Stop. We need this done. He's okay. He's okay, Maddie.
I know. I can't pet you,
okay.
man, because I'm working on her face. I'm
He's
sorry.
okay. He not hurting me. I know.
Mhm.
I know. He's sorry.
I'm sorry, okay? I'll be with you guys in just a minute, okay? All right.
Move. Back up.
Oh, Lord.
It's okay. It's okay. He's
All right.
sorry.
All right.
Back up.
It's all right, Madden. It's okay, okay? All right.
It's my man right here.
Cat him. Madden.
It's okay.
Oh.
I'm okay. Back up.
Smokey. All right, we're going to finish this real quick. It'll be over. Good. That's as flat as I can get it. So there's little smaller ones. These shouldn't be too bad, okay? Good. Hi.
Oh, you poking him.
Good. Oh, not so bad over here.
I know.
Smooth. Just one bump right there.
Okay.
That was it. Underneath the chin, we're doing good. All right, let's move.